Now, if you're looking for a beautiful two-story luxury home in a prime location, well, today we're here in West Summerlin, and behind me, we have the Sage floor plan by Richmond American, so don't go anywhere. Hey, welcome back to my channel. Now, if you're new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on buying, moving, or selling here in Las Vegas, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Today is December 18, 2025, and today we are here at Primrose Park by Richmond American, here in the most highly desired area of Las Vegas, West Summerlin. Now, just to give you guys an idea of where we're located, we're here in West Summerlin. We're about 30 minutes west of the Las Vegas airport and the Strip. Now, Summerlin is a, again, great area, master plan community, known for their community, their activities you could do. You're close to downtown Summerlin, which has plenty of shopping. Red Rock Hotel is close by. Red Rock Hotel is close by, as well as the Red Rock Canyon. So if you like to go hiking, but there's plenty of places to eat, shop, all of that. Again, guys, great community. Now, I will have the floor plans on the screen for you. They offer 4 different floor plans here. Now, all these homes are going to be 2-story homes, and they're going to range for about 3,410 square feet to 3,690 square feet. Okay, so almost like the same size. Now, the base prices are going to range from $1,119,950 all the way up to $1,209,950. Now, guys, just remember, that's the rates as of today. They're subject to change. Usually what happens is the more people buy in this area, then the prices can go up, okay? The way they do it out here as well is they do a little bit of both. They do built to orders, which means if you want to pick out all your options, you could definitely go that route. They do have incentives for that route as well. Or you could go with their quick move-in spec homes. So that means that the builder already picked out all the options, and these homes are going to be, they're either ready today or ready within the next few months. From what I could tell you, if you're looking for the best deal, you want to go with a move-in ready, quick move-in homes. Again, because if it's move-in ready, they take reasonable offers. And if it's quicker move-in, then again, they have better incentives versus if you build from ground up, okay? A couple of things about the community itself. The HOA here is gonna be $125 a month. Community is gated. In this immediate community, there is gonna be no parks, no dog parks, anything like that, but I'm pretty sure you can, there's other parks in the area that you could utilize. The Summerlin master plan fee is gonna be $60 a month, so that's something that all these surrounding communities have to pay as well. And you do have a SID, okay? So SID, if you're not familiar with what a SID is, I will pop up a video on the screen for you. I did a little short about it. The SID is $500 every 6 months, and you have a balance of $15,000. So once the $15,000 is paid off, then you no longer have to pay the SID, okay? Now, this community, you're gonna have 76 homes. The lot square footage is gonna be between 6,000 to 11,000 square feet. I was told that they only have 5 lots that have 11,000 square feet. And lot premiums are gonna range. So they're gonna range from about 30,000, that's their least expensive, to about 100,000, okay? So the ones that are gonna be 100,000 are gonna be strip views. So what I was told too is all these homes on this side of the street right over here, the same side as the model house, they're gonna have strip views. So those are gonna be 100,000. As far as upgrades, on average, right? If you build from ground up, most buyers are putting in about $175,000 in upgrades, okay? So if you want to figure out your total price, you take your base price, you take your lot premium, and then you add your upgrades. But yeah, guys, that's all I got for you. So let's get started with this tour. Welcome to the Sage floor plan. Now, the Sage floor plan is 3,410 square feet, 4 to 5 beds, 3.5 to 4 bath, 2-car garage, and the base price as of today is $1,119,950. They do have move-in ready, quick move-in homes that are available for about ranging from about 1.27 to about 1.33. Okay, again, if you go with a move-in ready home, you're gonna get a better deal. Builders are more motivated. But yeah, let's get to it. This is one of my favorite floor plans. So, paver driveway. I don't know what's going on right here. They have some turf right here. But yeah, you're gonna have a paver driveway, okay? Desert landscaping, the front will be included. The only thing you have to landscape will be the backyard, which you'll have 6 months to do after you move into your house. So you have a nice little courtyard area here. Okay, this is a pretty popular floor plan. They built this in many different communities, but because this is Summerlin, I mean, you know, they're gonna make it a little bit nicer. For example, look at this amazing stair rail right here. Okay, that is upgraded. And just so you know, when you're looking at these model homes, the spec homes are on that same level of how you're seeing these homes, okay? They won't have the decorative stuff like the panels over there, you know, of course, like these paintings. But I believe some of them are upgraded with these type of stair rails. Okay, so yeah, let's take a look. Cool, so this is like the standard wall texture by Richmond. So right over here, you're gonna have your bedroom downstairs. I know that's important to a lot of buyers to have a bedroom here. So you got the four can lights right up above. Okay, you have your cabinet right here. And then because you have a bedroom downstairs, you're gonna have a shower down here. So you can see you got your sink, toilet. Yeah, it's a little bit dark in here. Okay, nice walk-in shower. Tile surround. Okay. So you got some nice tile right here. That's the large tile. Okay, so I guess we'll head here first. So this is going to be your door to your garage. You'll have your coat closet. This is also included as well. Okay, so welcome in. Amazing kitchen. So you have your dining room right over there. Also your living room right here. Okay, you have the upgrade, a stackable slider. That upgrade costs about $15,000 to do. Otherwise, standard, I think you would just have that slider that's just in the middle, and you just kind of open it from the middle. Okay, beautiful upgraded quartz. Okay, you got the upgraded stack cabinets right up above. But yeah, Richmond does have something that's standard that Richmond includes is you're going to have the monogram appliance package. So you have this monogram oven, stovetop, see another oven, microwave, the hood. Okay, and then you also have your dishwasher right there. And the refrigerator is included as well. It's just the washer and dryer that's not included. Okay, so this is going to be your pantry. Okay. These cabinets here are not included. Okay, as you can see, plenty of cabinet space, which is really nice. Plenty of countertop space as well. Okay, soft close. Nice dining room. But yeah, looks like they upgraded the countertop. As you can see, they moved the backsplash all the way to below the cabinets. Okay, let's check out this slider. So the covered patio is included with every house. You're gonna have the paver driveway. I mean the pavers below. That's gonna come included. But yeah, when you move into your house, this is just gonna be a dirt lot. And then again, you have 6 months to landscape your backyard. I believe the condensers are gonna be in the side. He has 16 SEER condensers, which is amazing. Okay. And right over here, right next to like the model homes, you're going to have an amazing view of the strip. Okay, it looks far in the video, but it definitely is a lot closer than it seems. Also, to all the homes that line up over here, they're gonna have $100,000 lot premiums because they have guaranteed strip views. Lennar is building single-story homes right across the street. The elevation's a little bit lower, but they're also gonna be single stories, so you're still gonna have an amazing view. $100,000 lot premiums for strip views is actually not that bad compared to some of the other communities and builders in this area. Now, if you're watching this video and you are interested in new construction homes, you're thinking about visiting community for your very first time, do me a huge favor. Just give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit and help you out with the process. But if you have a realtor, that's okay too. Make sure your realtor goes with you on your very first visit. Guys, just do not go by yourself, because the second you go by yourself, the builder agents, they're gonna ask for your information. And once they have your information, they're gonna log you in the system as having no representation, okay? Now, the reason that's important is because we look after your best interests, and we hold the builders accountable. Definitely important to get yourself some representation. I know some buyers are also concerned reaching out to an agent because they think they would have to pay them. I've never charged any of my buyers. Guys, I always collect that on the builder's end or on the seller's end if it's a resale home. So, okay, so as soon as you walk up here, you're gonna notice this loft, beautiful, beautiful stair rails. You're gonna have your primary bedroom right over here. Okay, what is this space? Okay, it looks like this is just some storage space they have here. Laundry room. The homes won't include washer and dryer. The cabinets right there are upgraded, but you will have a sink and you will have like cabinets right here, okay? This accent wall is also an upgrade. All right, so what we'll do is actually, we'll start down over here. Preview the other guest bedroom. So I think we have 4 bedrooms up top. Okay, so we'll start off over here. So this is gonna be the bathroom. You can see, nice countertop. Okay, I think we got like, what is this, a float? No, it's not a floating cabinet. Walk-in shower. Okay, tile surround. Again, most of the spec homes are gonna have something very similar. Okay, this is guest bedroom. Okay, you also got the 4 can lights up there. This is the closet. Okay, so just your standard closet. You can see, looking at the rear side of the community, you do have these beautiful mountains. Again, we're at Summerlin West. We're backing into the mountains here, so it's going to be really nice. There's no community behind you there. Very peaceful. Okay, amazing loft space. This will be the other bedroom. I believe this bedroom is going to have a Jack and Jill bath. Okay, so walk-in closet. Okay, so yeah, it looks like you'll have your sink right here. That's over here. Oh, okay. So the only thing that's shared actually is going to be this toilet room and this the shower, but each room is going to have its own sink. Okay. Here in the other bedroom. That's going to be the walk-in closet. Okay, you also have your attic access right up above. And then every room is going to have a your jumper duct. So it's just how air flows in and out of the hallway as well as the bedrooms. Okay, your linen closet. So this is going to be your primary bedroom. So plenty of space. This is a king size bed. If you're curious to know exact dimensions, just reach out to me. I could definitely figure that out for you. Okay, so again, we have this balcony. Covered balcony is included. And over here, you're gonna have the amazing strip views. That's just gonna be for the lots that line up on this side of the street by the models. So welcome to the primary bath. Take a look at that. So you have your walk-in shower right there, your standing tub. You have 2 sinks, which are separated. Okay, so right over here, you're going to have your toilet room. Okay, so you also have, there's 1 closet. And then you'll have this other closet here. Oh, okay. Oh, man, this closet is so much larger. Okay. Nice. Yeah, check out the shower. Okay, beautiful tile surround. I'm sure for this floor plan, the stage, they're doing all their baths like this for the quick move-ins. Yeah, that wraps it up for the stage floor plan. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Again, if you have any questions, you're looking for help, somebody to guide you through this process, get you the best deal, reach out to me. My info is going to be description below. But thank you so much for watching this entire video, and I will catch you on the next one.